What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to talk about how my Kohler canister broke on the bottom. This is a very common problem, and honestly, when I first opened this tool, this is the first time I realized it had this canister on it. I usually dealt with the regular flapper valves that everyone's used to, and did a little research, realized what was going on was there should be a little nipple piece that goes into the hole at the bottom of the toilet there and does a quarter turn, and it's just the same quarter turn you would imagine to be counterclockwise off, clockwise on, and then turn it right here, counterclockwise, quarter turn, and then from there it just pops right out. And that's it. That little piece right there is broken off. It's an extremely common problem. Now, a lot of people have the problem where it's just running a little bit, and you can just replace that red rubber ring to replace that. That's just like replacing a flapper valve, and you normally just counterclockwise turn it off and replace that ring. But that's not my problem. I have the common problem of that being broken off. So I'm gonna put it back in there. I can give it the little quarter turn. I did realize that I put it in backwards. You know, make sure you're putting the chain towards the front. Give it a quarter turn, and you'll hear a click. You turn it a little bit harder than what you kind of think you ought to. It's a little scary because you don't want to break the thing off, but you will hear a click when it gets into place, right, when you're turning it. But I did end up having one more issue. Basically, it was overfilling a little bit. It got right to the edge of the top. I'll fast forward here a little bit so you can see. But all I did was turn this counterclockwise a little bit and adjust it back to right, and we were good to go.